This is my fireworks stash. I have sparklers, like 4 boxes of sparklers, ground blasters. I have these are like my big rockets. I'll tell you what the performance is. A triple whistler with crackles and red and green stars. These are all my other rockets. These are my, I'm gonna tell you what, I don't know what these are. These are rocket with reports. These are clustering bees. And there's one, these are the flying color butterflies rockets. Oh yeah, here's another rocket with a report. And I'm gonna have to do them all. Okay, the last rocket, not the last one. These are parachute rockets. When they shoot up, the parachute goes up in the air. And here's our pop rockets. These are pop. Sometimes they just pop. They're very old. These are tons of rockets. Okay, I'm getting the plot. Oh, I have 2 morning glories. There's one in there. I have this pagoda. When it spins around, it crackles. Then a tower pops up. Okay, here's the sequence. Do you like Mad Dog or Red Devil better?
Red Devil.
I like Mad Dog better. Because I like Mad Dog better, I got a 50 rule, that 25, and a 100 rule with the 50, 25. Okay, here's some more. Here is a dancing butterfly. These are this thing that fall on the ground. Pop it, 4 boxes. Okay, here's 3 boxes of snakes, a tank, and I got this hydra reading, and I got these space aircraft 4, but I shot off 1. I got crackling balls, smoke balls, more smoke balls. I have 2 colored cones, ground balloons, a pack open of ground balloons, a full pack of ground balloons, and here my festive ball. It's a mortar. There's nothing in there. I need to open this first. There. Festive ball. I just got this from Mr. Donald's Fireworks Store today with the Red Devil firecrackers. They're one of the mortars. I'm going to open this. Oh. And you just drop it in the tube, light it, and it's one shoots one up in the air, and pow, one of these beautiful colors. My other mortar.
What's the name of that?
Festive Balls is the name of it. It's again. Here's it says on the tube. Here's
Festival Ball.
Here's some pictures, and here's some pictures of this. Let me get this back on and show you the last thing. Here's my biggest mortar.
Show the box.
And here's some size things. And the cocktail is a thing that does not pow up in the air and ending. That's all. Pow, and it has something at the ending of it. Pow and something at the ending, crackles, stars. This one fell out. Sorry, this one fell out. Here's one of the box. See, here's like the R2 show. Here's the signs on that. I like drop in here, same as this, because they're both mortars. But they have the same shows. But I'm gonna see if this one is bigger than this. I didn't really like it. See that? But I'm doing that. And this is my first fire stash. They're the same height. And, one thing. They have safety directions on both of them. There's like 2 other ones because this one fell out. And these are the other 3 because these both have 6. And I have to put them back. And like here's like one of the warning things for this one. And here's some of the things open. All it had crackling balls, smoke, frosting, and color smoke. And you put these tops back on. And my mom's videoing. And at my grandma's house, and I have to put these shit back on. I'm never close to them. And this is $9.99. This is $7.99. I think it's $7.99. I think I mentioned. Oh yeah, I have punks. Tons of punks. I'll show my other morning boy. Right here. And here's like they always have this like lesbian.
Hold it up. Go do it again so I can just stay there. Stay there. I have it on the camera. Don't move though. Okay.
Yeah, there, like put those on my but then one of them fell off. But I'll show you something that were from assortments. Okay, these are 2 things that are from assortments. Here's another one. Oh, there's another. These are like from not Mr. Donald's store. I'm showing Joshua first. First is like the not from Mr. Donald. These are like some things from Mr. Donald, and these are some things that are not from Mr. Donald. Mr. Donald stuff. These are like some of the Mr. Donald, mostly Mr. Donald products. And this is like Mr. Donald. 90 cheese, but it was 100. But here's another for assortments. And this is like I have like 2 of these. Oh, I think I didn't show this. Comet fountains. 2. There's 2 fountains. Weather fireworks. I got this today. Thanks. More of those. And I got more guns from assortment. And I got this when I was 5. Yep, when I was 5, but I still have them. I don't know why. These are like from like space aircraft. They're red on each side, and like they spin up air. Black snakes from Cannon Brand. But these are awesome. These are like big rockets. Like these are the biggest rockets I have. Here's another one. These are the biggest rockets. There were 6. They shot awesome. These shots and this is like total awesome. I have tons of these, tons of like small rockets. Like these are. I like grab them for a $20 bill. And here's another tank. I like this is like a cool tank, better than the ones like this is I found from the assortment, but we don't know what this does. No color. I think here's some smoke glass from Mr. Donald. and here's like crackling balls. They're not from or this one. Do you like more from Mr. Donald?
Okay, you gonna say goodbye?
And this is like my separation of flowers that
Wyatt.
I collected. And goodbye.